Welcome back to new tutorial on our channel. Today we're going to show you how to use Elicit AI. So first, type in Google Elicit AI. Here the first Google link. Now click on Try Now. You will be redirected to the Elicit AI welcome page. So we're going to sign in with our Google account here. Continue Allow Access. I will put in my full name. Just click on Skip and continue the free version here. So here, we're going to select the resource agent here and click on Report. So you're gonna, for example, search this topic, the sleep deprivation, and click on Submit. Choose the first response and click on Generate Report, now Elicit A. I will gather our resources on this specific topic. So, here are the general report. So, this is a very strong tool for research on the web in scientific purposes. So, here Elicit AI is gathering resources. Then, he will extract data and generate the final report for us. So, this is the response. So, if you don't like the results here, you can just ask Elicit.ai any additional requests. For example, deepen further the topic, and hit this arrow. You can save also the response in PDF. So, here's the detailed response. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.